Howdy folks, Hillbilly here. Out on another short little weekend adventure here. I got the Fuck Around gang. Satellite, Kaz, 3M, whipping up some breakfast. Let's go check him out. We came in last night, camped up here on Spruce Knob, carried on, kept all the neighbors awake. And 3M got up early, came up here to the taco, which is beautiful. Nice truck, Jay. And is making some delicious breakfast.
Wonderful mountain sausage.
Wonderful mountain sausage indeed. Pigs right off the side of a hill. Yep, egg, sausage, bacon, coffee, orange juice, and endo. We got Badger here in a little while, gonna meet us at camp, and what did you say the other guy's name was?
Cody King.
Cody King.
And Campsite.
And Campsite is here as well. So we got a couple new additions to the gang this weekend. But yeah, we're up here at Spruce Knobs where we're starting. We're gonna hike Huckleberry Trail on down to Lumberjack, go check out the plane crash, carry on down through High Meadows down to Seneca Creek and camp down on the creek somewhere tonight. Basically doing the same hike I did this time last year, just with a different set of people. Anyway, it's a little chilly this morning, a little foggy. Still feels nice anyway. We can have a good time. Huckleberry Trail has got a really cool vibe to it. It's a mostly spruce forest, so it's got that sprucey, Christmassy smell and stays nice and cool up here.
There are a lot of really pretty campsites scattered throughout this whole thing, huh?
Oh yeah, there's great camping all up and down this place. Very nice. But yeah, we're heading on our way. Finally broke camp and we are putting boots on the trail, as they say. Hiking along Huckleberry Trail for a while, and then we'll make a turn on the Lumberjack here eventually.
I want to know what was crashing around in the woods over there. I really hope it's there. There we go. Look how wide our trail is.
Go ahead, bud.
I just realized Jay has the same initials as Jesus Christ.
Oh my God, he does.
Coincidence?
You have the same initials as Jesus Christ.
I know, it has a color. Little Caesar.
Yes.
Lumberjack Trail, here we are.
Yeah, man.
So we're gonna turn, start skirting along the edge of the mountain again, and should come across the plane crash site here pretty soon. I just came down here from the Lumberjack Trail, took this little side path over to the famous plane wreck over here. Just kind of bits and pieces of small aircraft all over the place. I was here last year to check it out.
There's the body of it.
Pretty wild. I think this was 1973 when this crashed, and a couple people did die in the crash, unfortunately. There's a little bit of information about it on the internet, worth a Google. Yeah, just interesting to come down here and see it.
I know, I've always wanted to know. I've always heard about it. It's everybody sending their condolences. That's sweet.
Just notice these two little cross,
Is this from a funeral?
Oh
I
yeah,
guess,
is that who died?
memorial spots.
There.
The
What's the year
in
on it?
memoriam. Yep, 1973, October.
Halloween.
Halloween. Oh, that's
Sure enough. I heard
Even
they
more
got
eerie.
flew through an ice storm and all their engines, everything got iced over.
Jonathan Randolph Johnson.
Hey. Alright, finally done with Lumberjack, hitting High Meadows Trail. There's a couple, 2 or 3 really nice mountainside meadows that we'll walk through. Not too far down from here. It's been a beautiful day, man. It's cool.
It is. It's couldn't ask for better weather.
Yeah, it's been absolutely perfect. Nice, easy terrain.
Wish I could play here, tell me.
Hey, good news.
Yeah.
What?
2 people that came up on us are planning on camping at the big falls on the creek too.
Uh-oh. Are you joking?
No.
We better beat their asses there then.
Let's go. Run. Everybody,
going.
run. A little bit of color going on. Very nice. Seneca Creek right down there in the bottom. Very, very nice stretch of trail through here. God damn, just about to fall on my face. Smell of wildflowers through here is really strong. Smells amazing. These meadows are quite beautiful. A bit of poop. Yeah. Alright, so we've come off High Meadows and we hung a right on the Horton Trail, which is shooting us straight down here to Seneca Creek. So we don't have far to go at all. Unfortunately, we have run into a mess of people. And I think right now everybody's in a bit of a race to get down here and start claiming some of the better campsites. But we fight dirty, you know. We're not afraid to kick them where it hurts.
Or beat rocks.
Or beat rocks, yeah. Or listen to music really loudly and just be wild. But there's plenty of sites down here. We'll find something. Badger, what's up, dude?
Here. Stop. There you go.
Hi, buddy.
Good job, Hikes.
Yeah, man. How you doing, brother?
Brother? I totally forgot, Osha, that your dog.
What's your name?
Cody.
Cody King, right?
Yeah. Cody King.
Solid name, dude.
Thanks.
Brittany, nice to meet you, Brittany.
Yeah, you like this? I got a pair of shoes, but you like
Are you cool with being on the camera?
Heck yeah.
Cool.
I got my own little YouTube channel.
Oh, really?
Hit me up, Cody King's World.
Yeah, Osha.
You heard it, Cody King's World.
Subscribers, you know.
Hit it up. Tell him Hillbilly sent you. Did y'all do any fishing on the way in?
I caught one.
Did you?
Yeah.
Did you get a little native trout or what?
Native trout.
Nice,
It was
dude.
Like a little nugget, pretty much.
Yeah? Let him loose?
I let it loose. I
Right
kind
on.
of want to keep it, but I'm gonna get something a little bigger.
I thought about getting my one-day license and going for it, man, but I didn't, and I knew I would regret it.
Yeah.
Hell yeah, glad y'all are here. All right, folks, got here to camp a little bit ago. Excuse me, here on the banks of Seneca Creek. Very nice spot we found. We got down to the big falls of Seneca. Continued downstream a little ways. Found this really cool spot here. But yeah, we got camp set up the hill here, as you can see. Badger and Cody and Brittany have all came in to join us. There's Shenny and Maisie, doggies, Indo. But anyway, we're here, settled in, made some good food tonight. Got a new Trail Magic meal to try out. I'm pretty excited about that. Got some beer to drink. I got some good company, got some good music. So. Very excited to try out a new Trail Magic meal that they've just come up with. Brought it out for testing today. Mashed potatoes with German meatballs and Hunter's gravy. Sounds fantastic. If there's 3 things I like, it's mashed potatoes, meatballs, and gravy. So I think it's going to be a winner, but we're getting ready to fire up the stove and try it out. The evening's starting to set in, starting to cool off a little bit. Feels nice. But yeah, just got back from the falls, hanging out there. And now I'm going to fix some dinner.
You do. You're the bestie ambassador we have.
And this one?
Yeah.
He gave you the stink eye pretty
He
hard.
did. Mean mugging.
I'm the fucking best.
Is it good?
Oh yeah. Yeah,
Nice.
meatballs rehydrated good too.
Creamy potatoes?
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Very good consistency.
Is this?
It's open. If you have any more water, you might as well just.
And mushroom flavor too.
Yay! You taste that gravy?
I do. I have a 6th sense for gravy. I can sense it nearby.
It's delicious, isn't it?
Mm-hmm. It is. Yeah, that's really good.
Yay! Figured it would be perfect for the sods in winter. That's all I was thinking
That's
of.
what I was getting ready to say. This would
Yeah.
be definitely a really good winter meal. Hearty, hot, rich. Oh, that's a healthy one there, dude.
Yeah.
It's definitely good eating
Yeah,
size.
2 just like that one.
They're all hitting off that little rubber jig.
Oh no, I just switched over. Just using Velveeta cheese actually.
Oh, there you go. Corn, cheese, bread. They love all that.
It's really fun though. You just throw them out there, and as soon as they come out of the rock, you know you got one.
Yeah.
But it's like once they know you're there, then they just stop going for it. You just get
Yeah,
the next hole, but there's like infinite holes. You just keep
Yeah.
going on.
How far did you end up going?
Did he catch fish?
Oh yeah, caught a few.
Hey.
You seen them this shit?
I'm surprised. I thought they were
It's all over about.
They are such pretty fish though.
Yeah, they are.
Absolutely. Is that your pork chops in there now? Is that good?
I think I'm snoring, yeah.
God damn.
Like last night.
The whole game. I'm about to make it even fucking worse.
Thing would never cook.
Would you like me to chop up some of these sausages to put in that meat?
Yeah, well, add more meat to the meat.
It's like a tree fell or something.
Yeah, people are breaking up wood.
You know what this meat needs?
I
A
think.
little bit more
A
meat.
little bit more meat.
Really, to be honest, we should make just a couple of these small burgers or smaller hamburgers, like little mini.
Oh,
They'll definitely
He's
cook
feeling confident.
faster.
Some White Castle.
Yeah.
he's breaking up
sliders.
the
Yeah, like
one
little
pound.
White Castle size burgers. They
The
always taste
sliders,
good,
man.
too.
We're out here
As long
making
as they
some
don't fall
little
through
sliders.
the grill
Seneca
grills.
Creek sliders.
Because that's been
Seneca
scored
Creek
sliders, I like
sliders.
that.
I like that.
The Seneca Creek sliders. How's that to the Washington Redskins?
Hey, if you really want to make them specific here, you could roll them in, the trout
fish water.
juice.
Yes.
Yeah.
Just roll them in fish water.
No, don't even worry about having this on a stable platform while you throw them all on the same side. It'll be fine. We'll still cook them.
Even out
there.
Somebody else's hands are going in the fire this time when it falls in.
I got it. You got any like onion or anything?
Do we have any onions? We were supposed to bring that.
Dude,
Whoops.
I know you got a lot.
it's in the tent. I'm not walking all the way over there.
You really got onion?
Do you have an onion, Jay?
I'll go. I'll walk over there.
Do I?
I don't know. Like, we can't
Let's have a bet right now. Jay has an onion, who's in? Jay don't have an onion, who's in?
I bet he has an onion.
Okay, that's one.
I bet he has an onion and a backup onion.
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 I think he's got an onion.
It's in the same bag with my 10 backup 10 steaks.
That Mexican. Thanks.
I did. I brought 10 extra steaks. Yeah.
Bad bacteria in there.
He said there was a lady that was trying to sell it in our town, but she was just like picking stuff from the woods to make kombucha with, and none of it was regulated or watched, and she got a bunch of people sick.
Did you eat breakfast?
There it is.
May I help you with? Alright, so we're packed up for the morning. Breaking camp. It was a great campsite. Had room for all of us, and there was a pile of us. We had a good fun night, ate some great food, hung out, had a good time. But we're hitting the trail. Got to cross Seneca Creek a few times. Nice easy flat walking on back to the vehicle today.
As long as you will let me. Luna.
I only carry one.
Oh, it's an old grindstone. The table's an old grindstone.
Oh, by then. Cool. Linda, come. Let's get some water. Linda, come.
Old grindstone for a table. That's freaking awesome.
Caveman made it, wasn't it?
Is that right?
That's right.
The waterfall right here at camp.
That wheel, you're seeing right here.
This is an incredible campsite. All right, folks, here we are back at the Seneca Creek trailhead. So the hike is done. We had 3M's truck waiting down here to shuttle us all back up to the top of Spruce Knob. And man, what a great hike. Fantastic hike. It is some kind of gorgeous out right now. Beautiful, sunshiny, warm day. Not too warm. But yeah, anyway, we're all here. Had a great time. Got to try some new Trail Magic food. Make sure you give Trail Magic a shout on Instagram, and Facebook, and their website at Trail Magic PA. But we got some more stuff coming up here within the coming weeks. So definitely keep your eye out for more adventures. And thanks for watching again. See y'all later.